Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a powerful topic to discuss. So let's start the video. In a world filled with distractions and temptations, it's essential to find strong motivation to obey the rules of Islam in our daily lives. Let's begin by understanding the purpose of our existence. Islam teaches us that our purpose in life is to worship Allah, SWT, and seek His pleasure. By obeying the rules of Islam, we align ourselves with the divine purpose and find true fulfillment. When we live our lives following the teachings of Islam, we experience a sense of peace, purpose, and contentment that cannot be found elsewhere. The second aspect of strong motivation is understanding the benefits of obeying the rules of Islam in our daily lives. Islam provides us with a comprehensive framework that guides us in every aspect of life, from personal conduct to family relationships, from business ethics to social interactions. By adhering to these principles, we experience harmony within ourselves and with those around us. We build strong character, maintain healthy relationships, and contribute positively to society. The third element of strong motivation is recognizing the rewards that await us in the hereafter for obeying the rules of Islam. Islam teaches us that our actions in this world have consequences in the hereafter. By obeying the rules of Islam, we strive for Jannah, paradise, and seek the pleasure of Allah, SWT. The rewards of obedience in the hereafter are beyond our imagination: eternal bliss, closeness to Allah, and a life free from pain and suffering. In conclusion, strong motivation to obey the rules of Islam in our daily lives comes from understanding the purpose of our existence, recognizing the benefits of obedience in this world, and seeking rewards in the hereafter. Let us strive to live each day with a deep sense of purpose, guided by the principles of Islam. By doing so, we not only strengthen our faith but also experience a life filled with peace, contentment, and the promise of eternal happiness. Thank you for joining us today on this inspiring journey. If you found this video motivating and thought-provoking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting content. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.